Hey guys, it's drtshock here with another BukkTuts plugin tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to use the BukkitScheduler. I already have my workspace and everything set up. If you don't know how to do any of that, then you can watch our first and second video. I already set up my plugin.yml with the command start, and now I am going to actually do some code. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, as always, is extend the Java plugin from our main class. We're going to import it. We're going to add two objects. We're going to do int countdown, and we're just going to do int ID. We're going to leave them both uninitialized. And then since we're only running one command from one plugin, we don't have to do an unenable to set any executors, so we are just going to do one method right here, public boolean on command, and then command sender, command string label, string args, and then we're going to return true, just because we don't have any reason to return false in this case, because we're going to just have a one argument command and it's just going to do one thing. So whenever they type the command, we are not going to try to check to see if it's a player, just because we want, check color, we want everybody to be able to run this command, including console and command blocks and whatnot. Started. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the ID of the task. So that's why we're going to say ID equals get server dot get scheduler dot schedule sync repeating task. There we go. And then we're going to do this because this is the plugin. Now the runnable and then long. So the runnable will be a new class within the class here. The first long is how much time we want to wait before we actually start running this task after I execute it right here. And then the next one is how many ticks we want to wait between each run through of the task. So we are going to do new bucket runnable, because we like bucket runnable, and then we're going to do that, and then we're just going to do comma 0L because we don't want it, 0L, because we don't want to wait after I call the task, and then we're going to do 20L. And remember, this is in ticks, and 20 ticks is 1 second. So that is why we're going to have a 1 second delay between each one. Now we're going to do at override and then public void run, because that's what the method that the runnable needs. And then we are going to format this because that bugs me. And now I'm going to do get server dot broadcast message. I'm going to do a little check color dot gold to look good, time. And then we're going to do plus countdown. And you may be thinking, what the heck is he doing? He hasn't initialized the content variable yet. Yeah, I forgot to do that, so I will do that in a second. Countdown equals 0. So now I'm just going to check to see if the countdown's at 0, and if it is, we're going to do get server dot get scheduler dot cancel task, and then this is where we need the ID. So we're going to cancel the task by the ID right there, and then we need to make sure that we do countdown minus. That will decrement the countdown every single time that the task runs through, and then we're just going to get a nice countdown equals 10, just like that. So every time we run the countdown, we will get a new countdown set to 10, and this is it. This is probably not the best way to do it, but it is the easiest way to do when you're writing a tutorial at 2 a.m. So here we go. We're going to compile it. So if you don't know how to compile, again, watch the first couple of videos. I'm just going to assume that you know how to do that on your own way, and probably not Maven yet like I just did. So what we're going to do, we're going to start the server. And I will do this from in-game just because it's a little neater to do it. Okay, join server. And then we are just, I was testing Obsidian Destroyer on here earlier. We're just going to do a simple start. And then we can watch countdown 1 second at a time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. That is all that you need to do to make a simple countdown plugin. I will paste the code in the description. If you want to use other types of countdowns or other tasks or something like that, you can just check the Bukkit Java docs on jd.bukkit.org, and it shows you all the different kinds of task schedulers and everything that you can do with them. I will be expanding on this later, but for now I just want to lay out the basics of tasks to you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to join our IRC channel or post on our Bukkit forum thread. If you have any suggestions or feedback, as always, post in the comment, please. And if not, thanks for watching.